Today we're going to make a vegan chocolate cream pie, and it comes together very quickly. There are only a handful or so of ingredients. For the crust, we just need pecans and some dates. You could use another nut, but I used pecans here. For the filling, we're going to make a chocolate pudding filling. And for this, we need some plant milk. I'm using coconut milk here. You can use soy milk, another nut milk, seed milk, whatever, oat milk. We have some cornstarch. That's going to be our thickening agent here in the pudding. And then we need some cocoa powder. Here I'm using Dutch processed baking cocoa. It's just a really rich chocolatey flavor that works really well in this pie. And then we're going to have some sugar, a little bit of salt, and some vanilla extract. And that's it. First, we're going to make the pie crust. So that can be all set up and ready to go once our pudding is ready. We want to have that ready to go because once the pudding is ready, we need to pour that into the pie crust as soon as possible. Now that we have our pecan pie crust, let's make the chocolate pudding. Now we're just going to whisk these dry ingredients together. Incorporate those a little bit. Gradually add the milk. Start with about a quarter cup. Third cup probably is more like it. And just gradually add that in. Be careful not to get the cocoa flying everywhere. Gradually add the rest of my milk. Vanilla, and just whisk that more. Okay, now I'm going to switch to the spatula and go ahead and let's get that pour. Sure to get everything. Okay, and then you're just going to smooth it out. As it cools, it gets the skin that forms on the top a little bit. So if you don't want that, you just go ahead and put a parchment paper, a little bit of parchment paper on top, and just smooth that out so it directly hits the pudding. And then that skin will form on the top. Okay. You can add some grated chocolate on top along with some raspberries or nuts. You can find the full recipe in the description below. I hope you make this and enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below if you do. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.